How to get up to $210 Best Buy promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in bestbuy.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Best Buy. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and while you check out, you'll find the section of promo code. Over there, paste the code and you will get the discount. But where can you find the Best Buy promo code? For that, open a new tab. Now type in Best Buy promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can get Best Buy promo code. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Coupon Follow. After you open it, you're going to find tons of deals and offers. You can see that 10% off, 40% off, $15 off, $10 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to use. Just click on it. I have selected $100 off. Now I can copy the code, head towards the website of Best Buy, go to the promo code page, paste the code, and with that you will get the discount. Also, you can try out these offers. In this page, you're going to find amazing deals. Likewise, you can also give a try to these websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo codes for Best Buy. Well, this way you can easily get up to $210 Best Buy promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.